Citric acid is a versatile cleaning agent that can be used to clean various surfaces, household appliances, remove limescale, disinfect, and eliminate unpleasant odors. Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will share with you various uses for citric acid around the home. You can use either citric acid or lemon juice. Take 25 grams of citric acid and add 250 milliliters of warm water. If your water is hard and contains various impurities, you will very quickly see a coating like this on your dish drainer. Take the cleaning solution we made and spray it on your dish dryer. After 15 minutes, begin cleaning. You will see how easily all the plaque comes off. To make this curved brush, watch the video included in the tip. After cleaning, the dish drainer should be rinsed thoroughly under running water and wiped dry. See for yourself what a great result! Everything is perfectly clean and without scratches. Hard water deposits also accumulate on dishes. Spray the dishes with the citric acid solution and let it sit for 15 minutes. To prevent the solution from drying and dripping, you can use paper towels. When the time has passed, wash the dishes with a sponge, in hard-to-reach places with a brush, and rinse well under water. Now everything is perfect. If you accidentally spill coffee on yourself and ruin your favorite t-shirt, don't worry. Do not rub the stain, but blot it thoroughly with a napkin. As soon as possible, make a cleaning solution and spray it on the coffee stain on your clothing. Leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place the clothes in the washing machine and wash as usual. I'll hand wash the t-shirt with laundry soap to show you the results. Look, the t-shirt is perfectly white, the coffee stain has completely washed out. Hard water deposits also quickly accumulate on bathroom tiles or shower glass. Citric acid will remove this easily. I spray the shower glass and immediately wipe it with a soft, damp sponge. If you have more serious build-up, spray it, let it sit for 5 minutes, then spray the tiles or glass again and you are ready to clean. Rinse the clean surface to remove any remaining citric acid. And wipe dry. For the next recipe, take 1 tablespoon of citric acid, 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid, 100 milliliters of warm water, and mix well. Sometimes a rough reddish coating may remain on the surface of the bathtub. Take a damp sponge, soak it in the cleaning solution, and wipe the bathtub. Place paper towels in areas with heavy stains and leave the bathtub for 15 minutes. The bathtub is perfectly smooth. Look how shiny it is. All the rough plaque was easily cleaned off. Various stains and splashes on the floor, especially in the kitchen, are not uncommon. Pour 5 liters of warm water into a basket and squeeze the juice from half a lemon into the water. Lemon juice is a natural remedy that effectively removes dirt and grease, disinfects surfaces, and fills the room with a fresh citrus scent. I wiped the floor once, and look, all the stains came out perfectly. The tiles are clean. You can also use citric acid to clean your washing machine. It effectively removes limescale, odors, and dirt that accumulates on the outside of the drum. There is no need to add citric acid to the drum. Add it to the compartment where you pour the washing powder. You will need 25 grams of citric acid. If your washing machine has a drum clean mode, select it. If it doesn't, select the longest cycle. Set the temperature to 90 degrees Celsius. Select the maximum spin cycle. Also, don't forget to turn on the extra rinse cycle. After this, your washing machine will be simply perfect. I don't know about you, but I never use store-bought fabric softener when I wash my clothes. A great replacement would be a homemade fabric softener with citric acid. I add the gel to the main wash cycle, and I pour the solution we made at the beginning of the video into the fabric softener compartment. 3 tablespoons is enough. Citric acid softens water and refreshes laundry. It also prevents bacteria growth, so after washing, your laundry will be soft and fresh smelling without any mildew or musty odor. Well friends, these are the 8 life hacks I wanted to share with you today about using citric acid in your daily life. Perhaps you already knew some of this, or perhaps you've never heard of them before. Share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, see you in more videos.